Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Vatican Coins and welcome to the channel. Over the past few months, or past couple of years, I've been slowly collecting coins from Vatican City. This is the Papal States. This coin here is from 1967 and it is a 20 Lira coin. The Pope that is shown on the front is Paul VI, and it has and on the reverse it shows two saints. I've not been able to find out which of the two saints it is, but they are two saints, or it is described on any description I've seen of this coin as two saints. The mint is extremely low for this 1967 20 Lira coin. There are only 105,000 minted for circulation, so that makes it an extremely low minted coin, and one of the few low minted. The Vatican coins tend to be low minted anyway, as a general rule, but not normally as low as that. And it's quite a low value coin as well. Normally the lower value coins tend to be the ones that are slightly higher minted. So to have one so lowly minted is unusual. What do you think of this coin? Can you let me know in the comments? Would you like to have one of these coins in your collection? I'm very glad I managed to get hold of it. I didn't realise at the time that it's quite so lowly minted, although I knew it was low minted. So I'm extremely happy to have this coin, and we'll look forward to getting my collection of ones with different popes on. Now, I am not overly religious, and I'm certainly not a Roman Catholic. My mother, as she termed herself, was a lapsed Catholic. I was brought up in the Church of England, so it's just something that's appealed to me, that there are only so many made from each pope, so many different coins, and the odd commemoratives as well, which got me interested in collecting them. So that's a 1967 Paul VI 20 Lira coin. I hope you've enjoyed this very short video. If you have, could you please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so and you've enjoyed the content or several of my videos, could you please think about subscribing. I'm looking to improve my numbers again this year, enough subscribers, so I'll be very grateful to have you along. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins that you want for the price you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for staying to the end, and bye bye. Ta-da now.